Hello, in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of Galaxy Z Fold 6 and show you all of the box accessories of Galaxy Z Fold 6. So here's my box and let's open the top lid. And what do we have here? The first thing is the phone. We can take it out to see that there's nothing under it. So the bottom lid can go aside, the phone can go aside for now. And let's focus on the top lid. There's a accessory box and nothing more, so just the accessory box to focus on. I'm gonna just open it and see what's in there. It's now empty. Okay, SIM tray opener, quick start guide, some warranty cards in different languages, which I don't know, and a USB-C on both ends cable. And that's all inside of the box. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.